Hey everyone, so in this tutorial I'm just going to show you quickly how to create thumbnails that I've created for my own YouTube channel. So I've recently started my YouTube journey about a month ago, and over time I've obviously been trying to improve my thumbnails, and seeing that I'm doing a lot of videos that are based on different applications or regarding iOS itself, I thought thumbnails that show these kind of mock-ups do look nice and can be quite creative to include. So if this was something you were looking to do, I'll show you in this tutorial how to get that done. Originally I was searching around and I tried to do it manually, where I was trying to line up images into frames or templates of iPhones, but it just didn't look good. It was messy. But I found this really good feature in the Canva app that basically allows you to use any screenshot and you can get a really good mock-up or image you want to create of any smartphone really, but I'll show you how that's done. So if we just head into the Canva app itself, what you want to do is, in this case I'm doing a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm going to get the template for it. So I've already searched here, so you get a bunch of predefined templates, but we want to go to create blank and it'll pop up with again more templates, but we can ignore that for now. So what you want to do is press the plus symbol where it takes you back to where you were originally. You want to go to camera roll, and from here you just have to pick your screenshot. So I've got some screenshots here that I was just going to use as an example. So if I use this one and add to page, once it's dropped onto the blank template, we just have to wait for this option here to become active. At the moment you can see it's grayed out. So once it's active, if we just click on effects, you just want to scroll over to smart mockups, and this basically gives you an array of different mockups you can use. So we can see here you've got t-shirts, mugs, and then you've got your phones, and there's an array of phones. So it looks like, I can't determine exactly, but they look like iPhone 12s or 11 even. So you can choose any one of these. If you just click it, it takes a few seconds to load. So that's one example. If we just zoom in, you can see that's the screenshot I took, and it's laid out perfectly in the mockup. But the ones that I've been using are more phone focused. So if we just go back and we just keep scrolling across, you get the phone itself. So you got this one here with the hand. If we just click on this one, so now that's added a screenshot of things. So in that case what we'd have to do is, if you've done it once, change it once, it's best to delete, or there's another option to replace. So if I go back to the screenshot, add to page, I actually added to, just scroll across. If I use this one, just enlarging it a bit. So what I like to do to give it some depth is add a shadow. So you have a bunch here, so you have drop here, you can get an angle one, we've got curved, page lift, but my favorite here is the backdrop one. It gives it this nice kind of shadow. It just adds a bit more depth to the phone itself. So we can put that one there in the corner, and then what I normally do is just add text. Just put in I normally just change the font, but we can just pick any one obviously that you like. Just get the position of that right, get in the middle, and you can add formatting to this, so we can make it bold. Again, if you want to add a shadow to make it pop a bit more, you got this one here, shadow. I personally like the lift one, And then the last thing to do is click on the blank space. You want to go to replace, go to backgrounds, and you get a bunch of different backgrounds here. So you can pick any. In this case, I'll just go for this one. And there we go. That's just a quick overview of how it works. And then you just want to hit download. You can obviously set your download settings if you press the export button. You go to save image, go to your camera roll. See, these are different screenshots, and we get 2 copies of them, and that's it. I mean, you can play about with all the other mock-ups and get them wherever you want, as far as your imagination really. And that's just a quick overview of how to make these thumbnails with these smartphone mock-ups. Thanks for watching, guys. Test it out yourself. Let me know what you think of this feature. Canva is really a good app to be using to create thumbnails. They have an array of options, so many different granular things you can change, and I think it really is the best app to create thumbnails on the go anyway. Desktop version is really good too. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more tutorials over time and just general tech videos. Thank you.